Welcome to the RJI Futures Lab, where we help you make your organization more innovative. I'm Ruben Stern. This week, a new social platform based on users' passions and a site that monitors public records. A former Google engineer hopes to reshape the social media experience with a new app called Hello. The platform connects people based on shared passions and also adds an element of gaming to the mix. The Futures Lab's Daniel Shapiro shows us how it works.
The first time a user says hello, they can elect up to 5 personas that they're passionate about. There are 100 personas in all. Think stuff like geek, foodie, or athlete. This will filter content to them based around those personas.
There's no way to fine-tune other social networks unless you spend an immense amount of time filtering everything, which is quite tedious and not fun to do. So on Hello, we kind of make it very simple for you to fine-tune, tune out things that you don't want to see but do want to see. And through that, we have you do a personality assessment.
The personality assessment is a set of 60 questions that assigns users a class, like visionary or captain. Hello will then recommend people for users to connect with based on their passions and their personality. But who does it recommend?
So we connect you to people around your network, like your friends, friends of friends, and so on. We also connect you to people who are like local in your area. And then when it comes to content, we also connect you to content on like a global level. So you're exposed to content that's popular all over the globe. When you look at your feed, we bring content from people that we think you might be interested in, and also content we think you might be interested in.
Users' feeds contain content that match their personas.
Maybe you write an article about gadgets or techs, or maybe you write an article about like politics, right? That you can share with like the political community, and that makes the news or the articles or content you create a lot more meaningful.
If someone wants to share something to a community that they aren't a part of, they can always change their personas.
What a lot of the social networks or social media services try to do is use like hashtags. We believe that hashtags don't like work really well because there are an infinite variety and number of them, and people use like hashtags differently. And also when you use a hashtag, its meaning can be like ambiguous. For instance, if you select Jaguar, are you talking about the car? Are you talking about the animal? We have privacy around personas. For instance, let's say a geek or a video gamer, and you post like a lot of content around the video games. When you share it, you can decide to share it only with like other gamers. In that case, your friends who are not a gamer will not be exposed to that content.
The app is built like a game. By interacting with more content, users can unlock karma points and new features such as incognito posting. For the Futures Lab, this is Daniel Shapiro.
Google is one of several investors in Hello and also provided the startup with the domain name hello.com. An online tool called Sqoop promises to save journalists time by automatically alerting reporters about new information in public records. The Futures Lab's Haley Reed explains how the tool has already helped one newsroom.
When grocery store chain Hagen filed for bankruptcy in September, reporter Anna Marum from the Oregonian was the first to jump on the story. Marum set an alert on Sqoop to be updated with any information about Hagen.
So she received that alert, and knowing that Hagen has something like 164 stores in 5 states in the West, that's news. So she wrote about it, and that's national news, but the Oregonian broke it well ahead of anybody else in the country. So that was a phenomenal win for them.
Currently, more than 400 journalists use Sqoop to assist in their reporting. The tool aims to cut down on time searching through public records or repeatedly checking for an update in a specific court case.
Every time there's a new filing in any of the public record sites that we follow, then we trigger an email alert and the reporter can jump on the story, or not, but quickly make a decision about whether it's newsworthy or not.
Sqoop includes filings with the Securities and Exchange Commission, the U.S. Patent Office, and public access to court automated records, known as PACER, within the federal court system.
We search those databases, their databases, extract the information, create our own database.
After registering, reporters can search for whatever information they are looking for within the website's database and set alerts on specific information. Sqoop is free to use for journalists. For the Futures Lab, this is Haley Reed.
Hank says that along with business and investigative reporters, entertainment journalists have also started using Sqoop to follow celebrity court cases. And that's it for this report from the RJI Futures Lab. I'm Ruben Stern. We'll see you in the future.